Unlike window or central air conditioning units, portable air conditioners are easy to install and do not require permanent installation. They are a cost and energy-saving alternative to central air systems, as they cool one room instead of the whole house. This Whynter ARC-122DHP Elite 12,000 BTU dual-hose digital portable air conditioner with heat and drain pump provides up to 12,000 BTUs of cooling and 10,000 BTUs of heating output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. This versatile unit has 4 different modes: cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat mode. A convenient 24-hour on-off timer that allows you to customize to your specific schedule. A handy remote control that easily controls the speed, temperature, timer, and dehumidifier settings even from a distance. The patented self-evaporating function of this PAC fully exhausts all condensation automatically in most environments. In high humidity or low temperature environments, the PAC may need to be drained. This unit comes with a lower and upper drain port and